Very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for everyone, those who are living in different corners of the world. Today we are in day 3, how we can make living completely online using YouTube channel, or how we can create very profitable YouTube channel and keep growing. All right. Um, Before moving forward, again, I want to show you how much our YouTube channel can bring opportunities or profits for you and me. All right, let me use a software called Social Blade. Okay, then I just type any name. Before I type any name, let me check our YouTube channel. Let me let me check education education channel. mm, Education channel, let's see how many views first. Let's choose this one, the school life. Okay, the school life, and I just write the school life. So those who are teachers, okay, educators, how much they can make, not even being a teacher or educators, uh, like normal people, general people like you and me, can run video tutorial on anything that we are expert at. Okay, so I see 775 uploads and this much subscribers. You see, subscribers 5 million, and definitely it's making huge, like $43,000 every single month, and 519k is 519,000 every single year, and it keeps growing every single day. All right, if you go to tag channel, if you say tag and good morning America, let's see Bloomberg Technology. Let's go to Bloomberg Technology. What's the name of the channel?
Play my whale's mating clicks.
Not that much. Okay, Bloomberg Technology. Let's go to Bloomberg Technology. Technology. Bloomberg Technology. They have a lot of uploads, but less subscribers, I see. Um, we can choose this one. Art and technology. How many? Okay. Let's see the second one. You see, 38k per month and 461k per year. So we can see anyone who are enthusiasts, okay, can make huge. All right, now let's go back to our topic. Now today what we are going to do, let's go to this icon and then click on YouTube Studio, or what you can do, you can directly go from here. Today we are going to set up our channel. Just go to settings and go to channel. The keywords we want to use for this channel we can take from here. Maybe I can say go to rapid tags, tag generator. Go to tag generator, this one, and just type funny videos. If you use regularly, I will suggest you to register. It will give you better results. You say sometimes it doesn't give anything. Let's see what's happened. What happens? No results. Funny videos. It might take a couple of seconds. Sometimes, they are expecting us to be registering. Maybe I have registration with them. I'm not sure. Okay, so usually we can take the rapid tags or from tag generator. Let me check again why it's not working. Tag generator, rapid tags. Funny videos, and we want in English. I see lot of text we can see here. Okay. However, I will suggest to take tag generator. Use this one and just say funny videos, because our channel is on funny videos. it's taking longer time and showing no results. That's not good. Everybody wants to make just money, Nobody wants to give service. People are crazy. People don't know when render service money will automatically run behind me, right? That is why I'm giving free. Okay, after creating 50 video tutorials, maybe I am going to charge some money. Okay, uh, let's not waste our time. We can say funny videos. You can say fun videos, funny videos for live, funny videos for healthy life, funny videos for relaxation, make fun, watch funny videos. Where can I find funny videos? That's enough for now. And select the country. I'm selecting the country as the United States. United States. Then videos for fun. Alright, save it. And now whenever we upload something, it will automatically goes to each and every video in the tag section. And go to channel again. I can add some more whenever I have time. And this channel is not for kids, I can say. Okay, then again go to settings and go to channel. I can keep it branding, using any logo. I can say YouTube. I can actually keep YouTube logo. That is better, definitely. Where is YouTube logo? Actually I forgot. It's not working. YouTube logo, I think this one. Oh, it's not this one. Okay, it's just for example. I can change it anytime, then keep entire video. It's not just showing at the end of the video or custom start time. It will show you every time. And go back to settings. Finally, what you can do, you can feature eligibility. To do it, you have to verify your phone number. Just verify and it will send you text message. This is United States, call me. And it's asking for number. There's problem sending verification code to please enter different number. Enter different number. Okay. Let me text different number. And I can check my phone. And I can see a number has arrived, and there is 768 828 828. Submit, and it has been verified. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Okay, so we are now ready to go, and in the next video series I am going to set up the whole channel. Okay, that's all for today. Let's not make it too long. I think it is already 15 minutes over. I want to keep it short. Thank you. If you want to follow this video tutorial just for free, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.